Hey friends, Future Jenny here. Thank you so much for joining me on this week's video. If you want to see real-time updates on my Camino journey, follow me on my Instagram at jenniferrazon, as I put stories up there, posts, and anything from the road. So check it out, follow, and also stay tuned for the series here on the channel. It's going to be something you do not want to miss, so stay tuned for that. But for now, enjoy the hike. Good morning. We lucked out on the cloudy weather this morning, which is nice compared to the 80 degrees we've had the last couple of days here. And yeah, it's going for our next hike. We're back in Beaudry Loop. It's gonna be nice and chill. Ooh, chillier. But today, I'm actually wearing a backpack with some added weight to it, since I'm walking the Camino de Santiago. I kind of have to get used to wearing a backpack with some weight on it, so that's what I have, and we'll see how I do. So far, not too bad. I don't have the waist supports in this one, so it's mainly a lot of the back holding up the weight. But I think we'll be okay. Not much of a view today. Hopefully it'll clear up a little bit. You know, I've never really hiked in the fog before, so it's really interesting to see all the clouds kind of going over the mountain. I've hiked when it's cloudy, which is completely different, but it's pretty neat in the fog. I don't know if you could see it, but it's kind of moving over this way. That means the wind's blowing all the fog this way. The only downside of hiking in the fog is that I can't see where my usual markers are to gauge how far I'm up, though I have a watch, but I also have visual markers. But I think we're almost there, almost halfway. So much for the city views today. At least we're walking among the clouds. It's pretty neat. Kind of scary, but really neat. Made it to the peak, the second of the 2 peaks in this area, so now it's just downhill. I could feel the mist hitting my face. Ooh. Definitely the clouds are coming in. Check this out. Definitely surrounded by the clouds right now. Walk through all that. All right, friends, we'll call it here. Thank you so much for joining me on today's hike to the Beaudry Loop. I hope we had a good and relaxing time. We did about, close to 6 miles and felt really great walking within the clouds, which is pretty awesome, and survived with the backpack. I have about 12 to 15 pounds in there, so it's about a good range in terms of what my big backpack will be once we do the Camino, so it's gonna be fun. But just gonna go home and rest. If you do like the adventures that we have here, wanna subscribe, like the video, it does help. But also, stick around. I've got plenty more to come, so you do not wanna miss out on any of it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.